welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this agent. Her name is Reyna, and I think she is the easiest duelist. I don't know, but I think she's the easiest. She is from Mexico, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to use her utilities and stuff. She has Leer, Devour, Dismiss, and Empress. So let's get started with the video. As a duelist, you're going to want to enter the site by blinding first so the opponent can't see where you are and you can just shoot. So I am just going to then press dismiss. Dismiss, you can hide from the enemy. Make sure you hide from them and not go to them, because sometimes that's happened to me before. I pressed dismiss and I quickly went to the enemy. You also have heal, so you won't need it from Sage. This is her ult, this is her Empress ult, and it's just quicker to heal, and also you can dismiss too. So like dismiss and heal at the same time when you have the ult. And that is basically it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Before I end this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to my best friend for helping me with this video. Thank you so much. Without you, it would be impossible to make it. So thank you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!